Welcome to the summer's CTE Discovery programs. This is Culinary Arts. This is for middle schoolers who are interested in checking out the culinary arts offerings that we have at the high school, and a good chance for them to get a taste of what it's like. We do cooking pretty much every day. Tomorrow we have a field trip for the morning group. We made strawberry shortcake, we're making a strawberry salad. Lots of opportunities for them to make things from scratch, which is not always something kids have had an opportunity to do.
I like that it's kind of carefree. You just get to enjoy hanging out with people and cooking, which is fun.
It's a really good intro to things that they might be interested in doing in high school, so it's a great chance for them to dip their toe in the water. But this is also like a really important skill for them as people, right? Being able to make their own food, having confidence, maneuvering in a kitchen. They tend to really enjoy it. It's very active, it's hands-on, so I think that's also a really wonderful part about it for them.